Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Suzuki GSXR1000. This has got the legendary long stroke K engine. Only 27,000 miles on this gorgeous red and black superbike. Öhlins rear shock. Wait till you hear that exhaust. It's got a seat cowl, bar and mirrors, smoke windscreen, runs beautifully. Engine, frame sliders. Come on by, make your superbike dreams come true. This gorgeous 06, only $79.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.